You need to pay me 10 shekels.
I paid you last week and don't have very much money right now.
I'll get the Romans to deal with you if you don't pay me.
All I have is 5 shekels.
Okay, I'll let you off this once.
Now I have nothing to feed my family with. Did you hear that Jesus is coming into town today?
Yeah, I've heard that people say he's the Messiah. He does wonderful miracles and people have been healed.
I've heard that he is really kind.
That he is a true king of Israel.
Come on, let's go and see him before we miss out.
Here he comes down the road.
I can't see him yet.
There he is. I can see him.
Oh, get out of the way.
Ow, get off my foot.
Stop shoving.
Get lost, Zacchaeus.
Why would you want to see Jesus anyway? He's a good person.
Oh, this is no good. I'll never get to see him. I know, maybe if I climb up here. Ow, ouch. Yes.
Zacchaeus, hurry, come down. I'm having dinner at your house today.
Me? My house? Ow, ouch, my back.
But he's not good enough.
He's a sinner.
Why would Jesus visit him?
He steals money and cheats on us.
Thank you, Jesus. I feel like a new person.
That's fabulous, Zach. I came to save people like you, people who are lost.
You know what? I'm going to give half of everything I own to the poor, and I'll give 4 times as much back to everyone who I've cheated.
You really are changed.
Did you hear what Zacchaeus is doing? Yeah, he's giving back money.
What? What's happened?
He's even giving money to the poor.
Really?